bright and beautiful, all creatures great and small, all things wise and wonderful, the good God made them all. Each little flower that opens, each little bird that sings, my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I'm proud of each rich and heritage, culture, language, and religion. I shall always stay to be worthy of it. I shall respect my parents, teachers, and elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I place my devotion in their well-being, prosperity and love. Thanks my happiness.
A very good morning to each and everyone. Respected fathers, sisters, teachers and you all my dear BOSCONIANS. Myself Pranisha J. Sarkar from class 5B, standing in front of you all to deliver the top news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, here are some local news. 43 lakh affected, 95% of Kaziranga Park flooded in Assam.
Respected father, team members of the teaching staff and my dear BOSCONIANS. I am Ismail Khan from class 5B, standing in front of you all to deliver the latest news headlines of last 24 hours. Firstly, beginning with some international news. China report 10,000 new virus cases, capital close by. Sri Lanka opposition civic activity, union takes out anti-government rally.
A very warm and wonderful morning to one and all present here for today's morning assembly. Myself and Ruhia of class 5C standing in front of you to deliver the news headlines of last 24 hours. Beginning with the regional news. The early party sons Congress turns BJP ally in council. Assam CM Himanta Biswa Sharma to launch Mylan mission to meet nutrition needs. The importance of the day in November.
Hello, my dear BOSCONIANS. I am calling you from class 5B, standing in front of you to deliver the top new headlines of last 24 hours. Beginning with some local news. Assam Railway Police fails gold smuggling case in Guwahati. Assam over 150 pigs die of African swine fever in Sisal. Celebrating on 15 November, the state of Jharkhand celebrating as it was separate from the state Bihar by the Indian Parliament in 2000. In year 2000, the Bihar recognized and established Bihar as the 28th state of India.
And you all my dear BOSCONIANS. Myself Tilak Chetri from class 5B, standing in front of you to deliver the importance of the day 9 November. November 9 is the 313th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 52 days remain until the end of the year.
We brought out you to deliver the importance of today's history. November 18 is the 322nd day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. There are 43 days remaining until of the year. On this day on 2006, wildlife area is being killed by stingrays.
A very good morning to each and everyone, respected fathers, teachers, and you all my dear BOSCONIANS. My name is Sanani Devi, student of class 5B, standing in front of you to deliver today's importance of the day in history. November 7 is the 311th day of the year in the Gregorian calendar. 54 days remain until the end of the year. On this day, the ancestral meteorite, the oldest meteorite with a known date of impact, strikes the earth around the moon in a wheat field outside the village of Ancestor Elsis, France.
Good morning everyone. Respected fathers, sisters, teachers and my dear friends. I am Kalish Reddy. Today
Good morning everyone. Today I am standing here in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic nature. Nature is beautifully crafted by God and gifted to all of us living on earth. Nature is a beautiful world that surrounds us. It includes trees, fragrant flowers, blue sky, rivers, fish, animals, and many more things.
And I stand in front of you to deliver a speech on a topic of freedom, whether human or other creatures want to live free, and freedom is natural to all living beings. The value of freedom is better known to that human being who does not have it till it gets, a person who changes to his limit and do not allow to perform hard duty freely.
My name is Suita from class 5C. Today I am standing in front of you to deliver a short speech on the topic hard work. Hard work is the most important key to success. That even without hard work I am possible. An idle person can never gain anything if they sit and wait for the better opportunity to come. The person who is working hard is able to gain the success and happiness in life.
Here myself, Mathemata from class 5 to deliver thought of the day. The best view comes after the hardest climb, said by Albert Einstein. Thank you and have a nice day. Morning to each and everyone present here. Myself, Gorima Sunal from class 5C to deliver the thought of the day. Education is the light of education, said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Surajit from class 5C. Today is thought for a day. It is where there is love, there is life, said by Mahatma Gandhi. Thank you.
Very good morning to all. Today, thought of the day is the sunset is the opening music of the night.
Good morning to all of you. Gender equality. And I thought it is something that all of us can be also aware about it. Sometime on because of lack of awareness, there is so much of inequality, even in small ways, even in the school it happens. Gender equality means what? Equal opportunities, rights are available to everyone, to all the people, irrespective of their gender, whether you are a male or female, boy or a girl, all are given equal opportunities and all have equal rights. Now, hopefully by next year we will be having a full-fledged library and reading room. But even for this year, we have a room, and whenever we get chance, a lot of magazines are there, newspapers are there. So it depends on how interested you are to increase your level of knowledge and making use of the opportunity. So I request you, given the limited opportunities, whatever you get, read it, go through it. It's not only just seeing the pictures alone, it's also important to read something to acquire knowledge. Young people face today is how we getting to know that it's a drug addiction. Like very often you hear about it, but then even I feel very many of our own children slowly getting into it in smoking and drinking and using all kinds of substances which are harmful to your health and your happiness. Very often it begins with maybe just join with a few friends, and even though you are a good boy or girl, still because of the peer pressure, because of the compulsion from the friends,